All right, let's take a look. So kubectl config get context, and we're running a cluster which is lc3.kates.local. So if I say kops get clusters, lc3 is running in ap northeast 2 domain here, okay, which is in South Asia Pacific. So I'm going to say kubectl get service, then I'm going to say kubectl deployments. So no service is running, no deployments running. Let's go to our browser. Let's make sure our Istio is installed in this cluster. All the containers are either running or completed, so that's good. So now I'm going to deploy application here, and if I show you here manifest app.yaml, it's just got greeting, deployment and greeting service. So let's deploy this here. Okay, so now if I say kubectl get deployments 111, okay, desired one, current one, up to date one. Now if I say kubectl get pods, because we used istioctl and do the kube injection here, so instead of one container, it's having two containers running. Okay, so what I can do is kubectl, and let's copy the commands from here. So I'm trying to get the name of the containers in this pod, and it says greeting and Istio proxy. So the Istio proxy is running in it. Okay. Now let's try to access the app using this curl URL. Before that, what we'll have to do is kubectl get service, and I see that an external IP address is assigned here. Kubectl describe service greeting service shows me the details here. So there is a load balancer ingress, and if I type this URL, this is going to basically get service greeting service and the load balancer ingress host name, and then resources greeting is where the endpoint is accessible. It takes about 3 minutes for the load balancer to be provisioned, so we'll wait for that and try again after a few minutes. Let's try again. The host is still not resolvable, and that is primarily because it takes about 3 minutes for the ELB to be provisioned. Let's try again. And now we are rightly getting the response hello. Okay, so the service picks up the right pod, and even if we include it or invoke it multiple times, we still get the same response. Okay, so we got the simple response working.